Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of To The Point. Today's topic of discussion is Network Readiness Index 2024. First of all, let's see why is it in the news. The government recently announced that India has risen 11 places in the latest Network Readiness Index 2024, securing the 49th rank globally. Now let's discuss about Network Readiness Index 2024. Network Readiness Index published by the Portulans Institute, an independent not-profit research and educational organization based in Washington, D.C. According to the index, the country not only improved its ranking but also increased its score from 49.93 in 2023 to 53.63 in 2024. The report maps the network-based readiness landscape of 133 economies, assessing their performance across 4 pillars: technology, people, governance, and impact, using 54 variables. Now moving on to key highlights of the index. According to the report, India has demonstrated significant digital progress, showcasing strengths in technological innovation and digital transformation. It is noteworthy that India leads in several indicators. The report states that India secured first rank in AI scientific publications, AI talent concentration, and ICT services exports. Second ranked in FTTH, building internet subscriptions, mobile broadband internet traffic within the country, and international internet bandwidth. Third rank in domestic market scale, and fourth rank in annual investment in telecommunication services. India has ranked second in the group of lower middle income countries after Vietnam. Now moving on to government initiatives. India's performance in NRI 2024 is latest in a string of advancements in the telecommunications sector. The Department of Telecommunications has made significant strides in advancing India's telecommunication infrastructure. Over the past decade, tele-density increased from 75.2% to 84.69%, and wireless connections reached 119 crores. The Digital India has set an example by expanding broadband access to rural areas through partnerships with technology companies, resulting in the sharp rise in internet subscribers from 25.1 crore to 94.4 crore, with a substantial rise in wireless internet usage. Reforms in spectrum management, ease of doing business, and consumer protection have further strengthened the sector. Furthermore, India launched 5G services in 2022, rapidly improving its global mobile broadband speed, ranking from 118 to 15. Now, India aims to position itself as a leader in future telecom technologies with the Bharat 6G vision. Now lastly, moving on to way forward. Coupled with investment in emerging technologies, impressive data capabilities, and robust telecom infrastructure, India's performance in the Network Readiness Index is a testament to our digital progress and innovation. Now is the time for practice question. Consider the following statements about Network Readiness Index 2024. 1. Network Readiness Index published by the International Telecommunication Union. 2. India secured 49th rank globally in the latest Network Readiness Index 2024. 3. India has ranked second in the group of lower middle income countries after Vietnam. Select the correct answer from the codes given below. 1 and 2 only, 2 and 3 only, 1 and 3 only, or 1, 2 and 3. Send the answer of this question in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.